Hello guys, welcome back. I am sure that all of you are upgrading your power, increasing your power. So let me just show you something that is called commander power. I am sure most of you have already upgraded your building power to level 7 and you are waiting, and now you are thinking of how we can increase our other power, that is the final power. How can we increase that? So let me show you what's commander power. As you can see, there is a commander power written just here. Commander power 16,750. My commander is at level 15, 2 stars. So now I am going to upgrade it. So for doing that, I will just click on this plus sign here. And as you can see, I have a lot of room of knowledge from 50,000, 1350,000, 20,005, 10,005, 5,005, 1,854, 500, 1,199, and 100, 420. So let's start upgrading. My 150,000 will do the work here. Another one, and another one, and one more. No, so we won't go for that one. Okay, so 9,006, we will use 1,000, and we are going to upgrade this one. Auto add. Let's see, it will only finish 3,000. See if we have that many stars. I don't think we have that many stars. Let's try out. Oh, we couldn't achieve it. So that's our limit for now. We need more stars to finish this upgrade. At 78.46, we are stuck there. We will use more stars to upgrade that. Okay, let's move on to our
Mei Bucellari, defendent Imperium.
Power to 15,000 because we are short on stars. Okay, let's go for stars.
Lidé jsou
These are
monstra
gathered.
a já je
And we
zabiju
have enough
všechny.
stars. So let's go and increase our power. We need level 20. We will go for level 20. Yes, we have enough. Sure, but let's try it. Okay. And let's go and add. We have finished level 20 upgrade. For now, let's keep it as
Non
this.
ab numero virorum.
We also have to
Si je n'y
upgrade
suis
Joan
pas,
of Arc.
que
I
Dieu m'y
forgot
place.
about her.
Si j'y suis,
It's okay.
que Dieu m'y
We
préserve.
can do that later. Now let's upgrade the
Inda.
talents. Okay. So I'm going to follow the ROK companion guide, and I'm going to go with whatever they have gone with. as it's best to follow some guides if you are completely new or we don't have so much understanding as to what all these are. So I'm following that and I'm going to upgrade as they have stated, like how they have done it. It's your wish though, you can do it whatever you want, like however you want to do it. Now our commander power is 25,600. We need to gather more stars from here. We are stuck at 78.46, so we will go for that later.
May Bucellari.
Here,
Lidé jsou monstra a já je
Sarka. Now
zabiju
Sarka
všech.
is up to us. I don't think it's going to be given anywhere. So she is a gatherer. I will first upgrade her gathering part. By the way guys, this is my jumper account. This is not my main account. So don't think that since I am an old player I am using my old account. No, this is my completely new account. We will also upgrade the skills part out here. Defense, speed, health, integration. Integration will do. Okay, so we have one more. Okay, let's see what it does. Yeah. So
Non
for
ab
Belarius,
numero
let's
virorum.
take a look at Belarius. What to do with him? Okay, so mobility, march speed. Okay, one march speed will do. And quick career. For now we are stuck at Belarius, so let's see my increase in power. I wish they would have given me some more stars. They didn't give me any stars.
Chtěl bys trochu medoviny?
兵无常势，水无常形。
But that won't be helping too much. First let me go and finish my
May
Belarius.
Bucellari. Defendent
5 stars
Imperium.
will do my Belarius upgrade. Okay, so I need to gain more power and all experience, so I will just finish that up. So I just showed you guys how to increase your commander power and how your commander power can create such a big difference. So at the present moment my strongest commander is at level 30. I don't have enough stars. I need more stars out here. I need quite a lot of stars because I am stuck at 78 point something. So let's do that. Like, let's develop and check out here. Okay, so we are at 93.85. We just need a few more stars. Okay, we will get that later. Don't have to worry. Let's check out. Like, you can find out stars from different places though. Maybe it may be available in the shop. You can get it from the table. We have to go to VIP 4 to like buy the stars, and I am presently at VIP 3. That's sad. I guess I have enough gems. Should I just try it out? No, let's go slowly. Don't have to hurry up. But yeah, just for now, let me show you. So as you can see the power difference, my Sun Tzu is at 25,600. My Sarka is
Lidé
at
jsou
level
monstra
28.
a já je zabiju
16,800.
všech.
So this is a gatherer commander, and she won't be able to help us in the battle during battle. I have to upgrade
May
Belarius
Bucellari.
and Joan of Arc.
Si je
She is
n'y suis
also
pas, que Dieu m'y
gatherer
place.
commander.
Si
I
j'y
went
suis,
for
lidé
her
jsou
because
monstra
we
a
were
já
out
je
of
zabiju
the
všech.
stars. So I
Je
went
dois
for
être
her, or
auprès
else I
du
would
roi.
have upgraded Joan of Arc. But that's it. Okay, I hope you guys understood what's commander power from here and how to upgrade commander power. Let's meet again in the next video. Bye bye.